How to set auto refresh in Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Extension. Then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Then click on Search Extension and Themes. Click on Easy Auto Refresh, which is the first one. After clicking on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. As you can see, it has been downloaded. You'll find extension option on top in puzzle-like shape. Click on puzzle-like shape on top beside search bar. Pin the Easy Auto Refresh option. You'll find auto refresh in there. Click on it. You can also refresh time and edit it. And this is how you auto refresh in Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.